sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's makeup tutorial. If you're just here to see how I got the Conspiracy palette look that you saw in the intro, skip forward to this time frame right here. And for those of you who are staying for the whole thing, let's get started. I'm going to actually do a method I haven't done in forever, but I used to do it all the time. And it's actually using eyeshadow for my eyebrows. And I'm just going to be using this like medium brown shade that's pretty close to my hair color, an angle brush. And I'm going to use it to just kind of fill them in. This is how I did my eyebrows for, well, I started doing them in like, I think high school. And this is what I would do. I would just use eyeshadow. And I don't know, I just felt like I should do it again for something different. Just because I know some people don't like the pencil look. They don't like it to look too harsh, you know. Myself included. Some days I just want, you know, a little more feathery look, a little more natural. So what's good about doing the eyeshadow, I feel like you can get a pretty natural look. And I'm still going to carve out my brows because, you know, we got to. That's just what I'm used to doing. And it's affordable because more than likely you probably have an eyeshadow color that is similar to your hair color. And so you can just easily use this. I like to do the lining of the outer edges of the eyebrows first. And then I go back in and kind of fill in any of the middle that needs a little extra loving. Staying alive. Staying alive. Has anyone ever seen Happy Death Day? I saw the first one. I still have not seen the second one though. And right before I started filming, I was listening to the Lizzo's version of Staying Alive, which is on the number 2. I swear, I spend more time on my eyebrows than I think anything. Sometimes I really wish, I really would like to just get them microbladed to not even have to deal with them. I'm just going to use a concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind one. I am just going to carve these brows out. Why last time I did my first look, I did my makeup the total opposite way that I normally do, but this is what I normally like to do. I normally like to do my eyeshadow first, then my face, so if I have any fallout, I'm just gonna be caking my face after anyways. So let's do it. We got the eyebrows done. I put some concealer, the same concealer I was using to carve them out. I put some on my eyelid just to kind of give me an even base. And now, here I go again, my okay, I'm a creep. All right, so I don't know what I'm gonna do though still, but this time I did say I would do a more funky color. What? Oh, Georgia Missy. Georgie wants to see. Georgie, you want to help me pick out some colors? Yes. No kisses. Mommy cleaned her face. What colors should I do, Papa? Okay. I'm kind of thinking it will be fun to do a sunset eye because I love doing a sunset eye, and this has like the beautiful red and the yellow, so I feel like I could do like a legit sunset eye, but I don't know if I want to do that. We're doing it. We're doing it because it's happening. It's happening. Okay, so I'm going to use ranch because, like, obviously, and I'm gonna put that below my eyebrow, and I'm gonna put some of my inner corners, even though we're gonna have to come back to all this later probably and clean it up a little bit, but whatever, we'll worry about that later. And I'm just gonna use a big fluffy brush because I'm gonna use the color of Food Videos, which is the yellow color right there. Or should I go with a smoky eye? Now I'm conflicted. You know what, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna actually use What's the Tea right here as my transition shade. I hope this looks good. I have no idea, you guys. So I'm still using that same Deluxe Crease brush. This color is not showing up that much, just FYI. I might have to like pat it on, maybe. There we go. This one's better if you tap it on. So if you have the palette, there's my tip for you. I got that first color. I'm not even sure what to think about it, if I'm being completely honest. I'm excited about it. Okay, now I'm gonna use, we're going smoky. We're doing a green smoky eye. That's why I use the minty color. And I'm going to use my Ubers here now. And I'm going to take just this little brush. It is called Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush. And I'm actually going to use this because it's kind of flat, see here? And I'm going to use that to put into my crease. And I'm going to pat it on. Okay. The black is blending nicely. It's definitely blending nicely, which is good. I have not done black eyeshadow in so long. I used to do like a black smoky eye. That was my go-to when I was in my early 20s. And I'm going to put a little bit just in the very outer corner here. I'm going to use that first brush that we were using for the What's the Tea color. And I'm not going to put any additional color on it, but I'm just going to go back and forth just to kind of smooth that out a little more between the white and the tea and the black. Okay, so now we got the whole black smoky eye. I'm going to use another angle brush. I'm going to use my rides here as well. And I'm actually going to tight line my eye. And if you haven't done that before, I think it's actually a good trick that I kind of also forgot about doing. You just kind of lift up your eyelid here. I like an angle brush. And it's going to make your eyelashes look a little bit more voluminous. And you're just going to put a little bit of this underneath, right on your lash line. I'll show you the difference once I do the other side. See how it just made the lash line look a little bit more voluminous there? That's just a little touch. Now I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going to be putting some concealer onto my lid. See the difference there? It's just going to look really nice once I put on the eyeshadow there. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Illuminati right there. I'm going to tap it on. And I'm going to put it right along the black. Yes, I like it. I'm liking it. Because I'm going to use a different color for the rest of the way. That'd be pretty for the holidays, actually. Now, I want to keep it like on the silvery side, grays and like greens. So I'm going to do the Diet Cola shade here. And I'm going to bring that the rest of the way over on my lid. Ooh, yes. Okay, yes. This is fun. I want to take a little bit of that green that was on my brush and just slightly tap into the edge of the Diet Cola color, just so there's not a harsh line of when each color continues and the other one begins. That's fun. Okay, so I put a little bit of the Diet Cola in the inner corners of the lower lash line also. So now I'm going to take that sleep paralysis, or excuse me, the Illuminati, and I'm going to put that on the outer edge of the eye because I think I would like to have that green. I think that's really pretty. Honestly, even a smoky eye with just the green would be nice, but I wasn't too sure about that. But now after playing around with it some, I think that could actually be really good. So I'm going to take just a little bit of that Illuminati and I'm going to put a little bit more over the Diet Cola, because then I'll kind of have like a little bit lighter green shade, I think. That'll look nice. Yes. So I think I'm loving adding that Illuminati. I could get a bit of transition from the light Diet Cola to the dark, so I'm liking that a lot. Now I'm going to put on my foundation, and I'm going to use the Do You by Too Faced and put it all over this face of mine. Now I'm going to use my Age Rewind Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to put that under my eyes. I've been having a little bit of skin issues still for the past like almost month. Ugh. But anyways, I'm going to put it on my little areas that need a little extra assistance. I set my under eyes with Do You by Too Faced, which if you have under eyes that are very dry, or if you have under eyes that have a lot of darkness to them and you want to brighten them up, I feel like this one is good because it helps brighten it up. It has like iridescentness and it is very hydrating also. Very, very nice. Now we're going to bronze it up using my Hoola bronzer. Whoop. I'm going to be really bronze. even in the middle of November. Look like I just went on a vacation. I went a little too hard there. It's okay. I'll blend it out in a moment. Pinch it, go down the sides of the nose. This is such a moment. I'm excited to get my lashes on because I feel like, you know, with the lashes on, it just automatically gives a more dramatic effect. Oh, yes. I just feel like I wanted to go a little heavier with the bronzer since I have such a dark eye. I feel like just to kind of balance it out a little more. Cute. Now I'm going to do a highlight. Oh, and I was going to do this Laura Geller Gold one, but now that it's like a very silvery eye, I feel like that would just look awkward. So actually I'm going to use the same Diet Cola shade as my highlight. I'm going to put a little bit on my fan brush. Okay, highlight. All right. That is fun. That's something I normally would never do, but I like it. Okay, now I'm going to dust off. Hi, Georgia. Hi, Missy. Hi, Missy. Okay, spray it down. Chapstick. Oops. Since we have such a dark eye, and also I only have these two shades of the Shane Dawson collection. I have the color Oh My God and Ryland, and I'm thinking that I already have so much shimmer on my lid. I think I'm gonna go with just Oh My God for the lips. And I know we all knew this from watching the series that it was gonna smell like root beer, but it's just funny when you actually get it and you smell it, and it does smell like root beer. Ooh, I'm kind of living for this bright light pink with this dark eye. I like it. I really do, actually. I like this lip color a lot. It's fun. It's fun because it's just a light, bright color, which I think looks fun even for this time of year. Why can't you do something a little bit lighter and brighter? I don't follow all the rules when it comes to fashion color, so why not do the same thing with the makeup, right? Like, you don't have to follow all the rules. I'm going to now do the cherry on top of this makeup sundae, and I'm going to put my lashes on. And if you didn't see my Moxie eyelash tutorial, I would watch that for a more in-depth tutorial, but I'm going to use it, and it is the magnetic eyeliner. I'm gonna let that dry now. I am going to actually take a little bit of that Diet Cola color and just put it on my lower lash line too, kind of over the Illuminati color, just to brighten it up a little bit more. Oh yeah, I like that better. I just need a little bit more brightness there. Okay, cute. I'm gonna put my mascara on and my lashes on, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Here is the completed look with lashes. I'm happy with it. I think it's fun, something different than what I normally would do, and I definitely will be creating more looks with this in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this dark smoky look, and thank you guys for watching. Remember to just be you. Bye guys.